Hudwaydrive is your new co-pilot. Forget distractions. This compact HUD projects essential driving info right onto your windshield, such as speed, navigation, calls, everything you need without taking your eyes off the road. It's easy to set up. Simply attach the Hudwaydrive to your dashboard using the provided adhesive mount. Hudwaydrive is compact, lightweight, and having long battery life. Pair your smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and customize the display data to your preferences. Works with your favorite apps and is the ultimate upgrade for safer and smarter driving. The price of Hudwaydrive is about $329. weBoost Signal Booster. Experience seamless cellular connectivity even in the most remote areas with this signal booster, consisting of three crucial components: the outside antenna, signal amplifier, and inside antenna. This gadget amplifies and distributes the improved signal throughout your vehicle. The installation package includes all the essentials for a hassle-free setup, adding to its convenience. The booster features a built-in USB port for charging your phone, suitable for any vehicle type via cars, trucks, or vans. Simply place the booster under the seat, conceal the cables, and enjoy a strong signal, and even have access to 5G networks. Wireless car charger. The wireless smartphone car holder guarantees full intelligent identification and charging of your gadget. This device can automatically lock your cell phone, ensuring your cell phone is safe and you are comfortable to use. What's more, it also guarantees intelligent protection of your phone's battery. Once it is fully charged, this specially designed auto charger has the function of detecting third-party objects and has its own LED signal for this purpose. If any metal object is hit, charging stops, and you will get a warning signal. The accessory rotates 360 degrees, and it also has a folding bracket. Undercarriage cleaner. Do you struggle when cleaning the underside of your car at home? Bid farewell to that hassle with the WarmQ undercarriage cleaner. This revolutionary gadget simplifies your life with its 4 innovative nozzles designed for attachment to a pressure washer. With its unique shape, it effortlessly navigates under your vehicle, and the high-pressure water jet efficiently eliminates dirt from even the most hard-to-reach places. Equipped with built-in rollers, it facilitates easy handling and prevents unnecessary exertion. Moreover, its telescopic handle ensures comfortable work no matter the size of your car. Introducing an efficient car dryer that you'll love to own. This compact device swiftly dries your car, leaving it ready to roll in minutes. Beyond interior drying, it's perfect for blowing away hood dust and cleaning wheels. Featuring a 10-foot hose and 3 versatile nozzles, this dryer provides exceptional flexibility. Select from 3 temperature levels to suit various materials. With its low noise and twin filter system, this blower operates quietly and efficiently to get the job done. Weighing only 5 pounds, it's incredibly user-friendly and easy to store. Discover an innovative tire inflator that features a unique slime sealant that proficiently repairs punctures up to 1/4 inch from the inside. This effective slime repair can endure over 500 miles, allowing ample time to safely reach a tire repair facility. Beyond its puncture repairing capability, this inflator functions like a regular one. Simply plug it into the car socket, attach the hose, and start inflating with the push of a button. The built-in digital display enables real-time tracking of tire pressure. And for excess air, there's a dedicated deflate button solely for that purpose. Exit emergency tool. As a driver, ensuring you are ready for unforeseen road emergencies is crucial. And that's where this compact multi-tool comes in handy, designed for car accidents. It features a glass breaker to help you in quick exits, and a built-in belt cutter for situations when the safety belt is compromised. For swift access, consider clipping this essential tool directly onto your safety belt. Emergency Warning Kit. In roadside emergencies, visibility is paramount, and that's why you'll need this emergency lighting kit, equipped with 4 powerful lights. Capable of illuminating up to a mile away in a 360-degree direction, ensuring you're easily noticed. Simply place the lights around your vehicle, activate them, and choose from various emergency flashing modes. The magnetic mechanism and hook make attaching lights to your car very easy. The kit includes a compact bag and screws for added convenience. Baseus Car MP3. Prioritizing your safety on the road is paramount, and the Baseus MP3 player is designed for such purpose. Securely mounted on your windshield for easy access and music control. With a simple button press connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and synchronize the car FM to the device's frequency. Plus, the MP3 player is solar-powered, ensuring you won't worry about low battery anymore. Excort Max 360 C2. While I strongly advocate for safe and responsible driving, if you occasionally find yourself indulging in carefree driving when no one's around, a laser radar detector is a practical tool to evade unwanted speeding tickets. Effortlessly mounted on your windshield and set it up. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, seamlessly integrates with connected cars. Its clear and visible arrows ensure 360-degree threat detection, indicating the direction of potential dangers. The standout feature is its auto-learn technology, intelligently filtering out false alerts from specific locations. This advanced detector also offers ample warning time, enabling you to adjust your speed accordingly. Tesla J1772 Car Adapter. Experience the epitome of swift and secure electric vehicle charging with the Charger Man Tesla to J1772 charging adapter. This indispensable adapter is universally compatible with all non-Tesla electric vehicles equipped with J1772 charging ports. It not only facilitates the use of a Tesla charging port, but also allows for the use of a Tesla wall connector, destination charger, and mobile connector, delivering rapid charging capability across various electric vehicles. Compact and portable, it conveniently fits into your glove box, ensuring charging access at any station you visit. With a rapid charging speed of up to 80 amps and 40 kilowatt hours, your electric vehicle can achieve a full charge in just 4 hours. While not designed for DC fast charging at 40 kilowatts, this adapter excels in handling intense AC power loads. Featuring a robust double lock and key system, the Charger Man Tesla charging adapter guarantees secure and confident electric vehicle charging. Stay safe fire extinguish. Let me share with you a versatile fire extinguisher designed to combat various types of fires. It excels in addressing short circuits in electrical wiring and effectively extinguishes flames from fabric, paper, cardboard, wood, and lithium-ion batteries found in modern devices. Unlike powder extinguishers, it contains a safe liquid composition, preventing electrical conductivity and safeguarding expensive equipment. Certified to international safety standards, it has successfully undergone rigorous testing. According to the manufacturer, it's user-friendly. Nature allows even children to use it, making it an ideal emergency solution for various situations.
Anti-skid tracks. This useful thing should always be in the trunk of every motorist who often drives on bad roads and does not want to get stuck in mud or snow in winter. The track is a relief coating which is placed under the driving wheels of a stuck car. Thanks to its tread the track, helps the wheel to catch on the surface, and the car is safely out. The set includes 2 tracks 60 centimeters long and 18 centimeters wide. The material is durable plastic with metal hinges. Rapid ceramic paint sealer. Guarantees maximum shine and radiance of your car. This paint protection spray is designed for those who take great care of their car and want to keep it in perfect condition for years to come. Thanks to the patented inorganic ceramic technology, the product will not wash off after several washes, not to mention rain, snow, or downpour. The ceramic layer gives the paintwork an outstanding shine and enhances the depth of color and makes car care easier and more enjoyable. Anti-static and hydrophobic properties prevent dirt from sticking to the car body surface. Karcher EDI 4. The Karcher cordless ice scraper easily cleans car windows with plastic blades that rotate at high speeds. The blades are specially shaped so they will not damage the glass surface. Blades are replaceable as they wear out and are sold as replacement parts. The compact design allows you to take the squeegee with you on the road and does not take up a lot of space. One battery charge is enough for 15 minutes of uninterrupted work. It takes 3 hours to charge the device. Table on the trunk door. An indispensable find for lovers of outdoor trips and outdoor activities. The table is made of metal and painted in black color. Carefully folds and unfolds and fixed with strong ropes. It can be mounted on the rear door of your SUV without any problems. The maximum weight you can put on the table is 110 pounds. Steering wheel with LED. Quite unusual steering wheel for Dodge and Jeep cars. This steering wheel is made of heavy-duty carbon fiber, has excellent ergonomics, and is absolutely safe to use. In addition, there are sensors built directly into the steering wheel, which help to control the operation of the car. And there is a bright LED display, which is connected to the onboard computer through the OBD protocol. This is quite an interesting tuning for your car, which will be appreciated by friends and acquaintances. Ansel S3000 Pro is a professional toolkit for detecting leaks in vacuum, fuel, evap, and other fuel systems. This automotive device comes with numerous additional devices that allow you to use it in almost any car. With the help of this smoke generator, you'll be able to find air suction in various systems of the car and also check them for leaks. Quality metal was used in the manufacturing process of this smoke tester for vacuum leaks. This makes this unit not only compact, but also resistant to various damages. There is a specially built-in intelligent safety device inside. So if the working environment exceeds the set limit, the unit will automatically shut down. WD-40 Contact Cleaner. Aerosol cleaner in a cane is a high-quality and multifunctional cleaning agent. It is used in the process of cleaning and removing dirt from the surface of electrical components. The unique formula provides excellent cleaning properties even for the most fragile components. The main advantage of the electrical contact cleaner is that it leaves no residue after application. The aerosol is characterized by a quick drying formula, leaves no residue, and is completely safe from metal and plastic. It is recommended to test on plastic before use. Meet ROAV VIVA, the essential gadget for keeping you focused on the road. This Bluetooth car charger brings Google Assistant right by your side, enabling quick and safe smartphone interactions. With a variety of useful commands, you can make calls, play music, and set up navigation without taking your eyes off the road. Additionally, it boasts 2 USB ports for charging your mobile devices, and the integrated LED light indicates connection status in incoming phone calls.